Categories of existing plants and animals in India. In this module, you will learn about the different categories of existing plants and animal species in India. India is a land of varied flora, fauna, and biodiversity. Around 1.6 million species of life forms are said to have been discovered so far on the planet Earth. Out of this, nearly 8% are found in India. The existing plants and animals are classified into different categories by the International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources, IUCN. They are the normal species, endangered species, vulnerable species, rare species, endemic species, and extinct species. Those plants and animals whose population levels are considered normal for their survival are categorized as the normal species. Examples of plants belonging to the normal species are sal and pine, and animals under these species are cattle and rodents. There are certain species of plants and animals that are in the danger of facing extinction. These species are categorized as the endangered species. The endangered species face difficulties in survival and are prone to becoming extinct if the factors responsible for the decline in population persist. Black buck, Indian rhino, and crocodile are some of the examples of the endangered species. Those species whose population levels have declined at such alarming levels in the past years that they would not find place in the endangered list are called the vulnerable species. Some examples of the vulnerable species are the blue sheep, the Asiatic elephant, and the Gangetic dolphin. Nearly 1,500 species of plants fall in the endangered category. Similarly, 79 species of mammals, 44 species of birds, 15 species of reptiles, 3 species of amphibians, 2 species of fish, and a large number of insects are considered as vulnerable and endangered. Species of plants and animals that have a small population are classified as the rare species. These plants and animals could move into the vulnerable or endangered species list if the factors leading to the decline in population persist. Examples of these species are the Himalayan brown deer, the wild Asiatic buffalo, the desert fox, and the hornbill. Another classification of plants and animals is the endemic species. These species are found only in some areas that are isolated by natural or geographic barriers. The Andaman teal, the Nicobar pigeon, the Andaman wild pig, and the mithun in Arunachal Pradesh are some of the examples of the endemic species. The last category of the existing plants and animals is the extinct species. These are species that are no longer found in areas where they originally existed. Extinct species can be said to be extinct from an area, region, country, continent, or the planet Earth. Examples of such species are the pink-headed duck and the Asiatic cheetah. According to the records, prior to the 20th century, the Asiatic cheetahs were found in Africa and Asia. Today, the Asiatic cheetah is nearly extinct throughout the world due to lack of proper habitat and prey. This animal was hunted down for its skin and nails, which fetched a good amount of money. This also seems to be one of the reasons for its extinction. The last living cheetah is believed to have been killed in 1952 in the Chittoor district, then under the state of Madras. Ever since, the cheetah has been declared as extinct in India. It is quite alarming that the rich flora and fauna of India are fast dwindling. Immediate measures need to be taken to check deforestation and preserve wildlife. If adequate measures are not taken, it won't be long before jungles end up as barren land. In this module, you have learned the following. The International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources, IUCN, has classified the existing plants and animals into different categories. The categories are the normal species, endangered species, vulnerable species, rare species, endemic species, and extinct species. Those plants and animals whose population levels are considered normal for their survival are categorized as the normal species. Those species whose population levels have declined at such alarming levels that they would soon move to the endangered list are called the vulnerable species. Species of plants and animals that have a small population are classified as the rare species. Species which are found in some particular areas, usually isolated by natural or geographical barriers, are classified as the endemic species. Species that no more exist in areas where they used to inhabit are called the extinct species. Nearly 1,600 species of plants fall in the endangered category. Similarly, 79 species of mammals, 44 species of birds, 15 species of reptiles, 3 species of amphibians, 2 species of fish, and a large number of insects are considered vulnerable and endangered.